Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang attended the 8th Northeast Youth Festival 2025 at Paljar Stadium, emphasizing youth empowerment, cultural exchange and national integration. Addressing the gathering, he highlighted the theme Empower Youth, Empower Reason, My Bharat Vikasit Bharat, aligning with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Vikasit Bharat 2047. Chief Minister Tamang praised initiatives like Unnati 2024, Startup India and Stand Up India for transforming the Northeast since 2014. He also encouraged youth to embrace leadership, innovation and sustainable development. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Raksha Nikhil Khatse joined the event, which hosted 552 participants from across the Northeast. Chief Minister Tamang expressed gratitude to Union Minister Dr. Manshukh Mandaviya, Governor Om Prakash Mathur and officials for their support. Urban Development Department held a press conference at Gangtok Smart City Development Limited to address concerns over trade license updating and regulatory issues in Class 2 bazaars and urban local bodies. Minister for Urban Development Bojraj Rai announced a ban on subletting trade licenses to non-Sikkimese individuals, emphasizing that only original license holders or immediate family members can operate businesses. During a press conference, Minister Rai revealed that 9,449 trade licenses and 190 hawker licenses have been issued, with plans to convert hawker licenses into trade licenses over time. He also warned against unauthorized subletting of government-allotted shops and pending rent issues. Labor card verification, site inspection for new licenses, and public awareness drive will be conducted to ensure compliance. Minister Rai also urged those holding unauthorized licenses to surrender them voluntarily. A new permit office was inaugurated at the Panchayat office in Kisan Bazar, Rongli by Tourism Minister Chiringthendu Bhutia and Agriculture Minister Puran Kumar Gurung. The initiative aligns with the Chief Minister's vision to decentralize permit issuance, enhancing accessibility for tourists and travel operators. The Rongli Permit Office will issue permits for Nathula visits and motorcycle tours, streamlining travel to key destinations like Suluk and Changgu Lake. Minister Bhutia highlighted the state's focus on rural tourism and announced the operational status of tourism information centers in 6 districts. D.T. Lepcha, Rajya Sabha MP from Sikkim, has been nominated to the Joint Committee on MP Salaries and Allowances. The committee, formed under the 1954 Act, reviews and recommends changes to MP salaries, allowances and benefits. Lepcha's appointment enhances Sikkim's representation in national discussions on MP's welfare.